There is but one sure way to avoid global war, and that is to win the Cold War.
Throughout the world, there is widespread misunderstanding of the United States. The communists are quick to take advantage of this in the lies they are spreading about us.
One of the police pulled his gun out and pointed it to my forehead and cocked it and said, "I'll blow your black brains out."
America claims to preach democracy, but in fact, we have this kind of racial violence going on pretty regularly.
The Soviet international media made sure that audiences around the world knew about this.
In retrospect, it seems obvious that my father would have this idea, but at the time, it was without precedent.
We're going to shift the emphasis to jazz and send these artists over where they can reach the masses of the people of Asian Africa. And one of the people who we're planning to use, my friend Dizzy Gillespie. What do you think about that, Dizzy?
The weapon that we will use is the cool one.
Got off the plane, they had 9 trumpets playing so beautiful. So I pulled mine out and played with them.
5,000 Greeks stage an anti-American riot in Athens.
In Greece, government said, send the Gillespie band. We would like the kamikaze band. Like, send wherever there's problems, send this band.
Well, I mean, the excitement was, was really mind-boggling.
Никакого шанса, все было отцеплено специальными людьми, агентами полиции или КГБ.
There would be 3 or 4 armed guards making sure that they didn't come over and talk to us.
What are you going to tell the Russians when they ask you about the Little Rock incident?
It all depends what time they send me over there. I don't think they should send me now unless they're straightening that mess down south.